Out of control teenagers coughing on grocery store produce. Participating in a disturbing trend of coughing on grocery store produce and posting their pranks online as the nation fights the coronavirus, which is known to spread from human droplets spraying from mouths. The report said that the store, identified on social media as Harris Teeter, immediately removed the items and cleaned up the area. The police said, the grocery store immediately removed the items in question, and has taken appropriate measures to ensure the health of store patrons. On social media, one woman who said she witnessed the event wrote, "Punk teenagers are hitting the grocery stores, coughing all over the produce and the grocery items, filming it and posting it. It scared the hell out of one elderly woman who was just trying to grocery shop. Why the hell aren't these people keeping their teens home? This is not summer vacay." The police investigating the case said that there is a national trend by teenagers to cough on food and film it. "We are asking for parental assistance in monitoring your teenagers' activities, as well as their social media posts to avoid the increase of any further such incidents. We have learned that this appears to be a disturbing trend on social media across the country, and we ask for help from parents to discourage this behavior immediately," said the police.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.